question asks us how this oxymercuration reaction could be modified to form this ester as our major product. We'll start with the same alkene, and we'll still go through an oxymercuration process. It's just the reagents that are going to change just slightly. We're still going to treat with mercury acetate. When we look at the oxymercuration conditions, it's the water reagent that forms the alcohol product. If instead of an alcohol product, I want an ether product, I don't want to treat with water anymore. I want to treat with an alcohol, specifically the alcohol that's going to give me this ester. So that would be an alcohol with a 2-carbon spacer and then a cyclopentane ring. So treating with this alcohol would form a carbon-oxygen bond with this oxygen, bringing along the carbon chain to form this ether. We would still need step 2, the reduction. But this is how we could modify the traditional oxymercuration conditions to form an ether product instead.